In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage account numbers in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your bookkeeping is both organized and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, adding account numbers can vastly improve how you track and manage financial data. Let's begin by logging into QuickBooks Online. Open Google Chrome and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, simply sign in with your usual credentials. If you're having trouble recalling your password, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry. After logging in, you're greeted with the QuickBooks dashboard, your central hub for managing all aspects of your business finances. Next, let's adjust some settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll spot the gear icon, resembling a small cogwheel. Click on it and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, select either Account and Settings or Company Settings, which will guide you to a page where you can adjust various preferences for your business. Now that we're in the right place, look at the menu on the left. You'll see several options, and the one we're interested in is Advanced. Click on it to proceed. This section deals with more detailed settings that help fine-tune how QuickBooks operates for your company, making your tasks smoother in the long run. Within the advanced settings, scroll until you find the Chart of Accounts section. Here lies our objective, to enable account numbers. You'll see the option labeled Enable Account Numbers. It's straightforward. Check the box next to this option. Enabling account numbers means QuickBooks will allow you to assign specific numbers to your accounts, a practice that can aid significantly in maintaining organized records and facilitating easier conversations with your accountant. With this option selected, don't forget to save the changes you've just made. Look toward the bottom right of the page and you'll find the Save button. Click it, confirming the setting adjustments. After that, go ahead and click Done, which will close the settings window and return you to the main dashboard. Now, let's discuss adding account numbers to specific accounts. Navigate to the Accounting section and then click on Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. Here you'll see a list of all your current accounts. To edit an account, locate the edit icon, which resembles a pencil, next to the account you want to modify. Click on this icon to bring up the account details. Within the account details, you'll notice a field labeled Number. Here is where you can input your chosen account number that best represents the account. After entering the desired number, remember to save your changes to avoid any data loss. You can repeat this step for each account that requires a number. By following these instructions, you've enhanced your QuickBooks setup, making it an even more powerful tool for your financial management. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping!